Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the scene down, log in as an admin, create a snapshot, and export app settings so you can roll back if needed. Once done, enumerate the exact package names and their versions. This prevents mismatched dependencies. Next, stop auto-update services and set a short maintenance window. This avoids simultaneous installers colliding. By starting with these precise steps, you reduce race conditions and preserve a clean baseline for the coordinated multi-app update. You now perform the updates in a controlled sequence. Update shared libraries and frameworks first, because higher-level apps depend on them. Then deploy to a small canary group to validate behavior. This reveals hidden incompatibilities without wide impact. Make sure to run scripted installers with verbose logging, capture exit codes, and keep timestamps. Those logs are your diagnostic lifeline. If automated, orchestrate with a transaction-aware tool so you can roll back a subset without disrupting the entire. You finish by running smoke tests and end-to-end user flows to confirm stability. Monitor metrics and error rates for at least one maintenance cycle. Once stable, re-enable automated updates and alerting so future changes are visible. If something breaks, apply the one-key fix. Revert to your snapshot immediately, collect the update logs, and hunt for dependency mismatches or version skew. Then patch the offending package and replay the staged pipeline. This sequence prevents cascading failures and restores service quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.